This year's Black Friday sales spotlight a versatile selection of blenders, featuring both compact personal models for on-the-go nutrition and formidable countertop units built for large batch preparations. Here I will show you some of the best blenders deals.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ninja Fit Compact Blender. The Ninja Fit Compact Blender is the ideal solution for busy individuals and those with limited counter space, offering a strong 29% discount that makes healthy on-the-go blending more affordable than ever. This personal blender utilizes a powerful 700-watt motor base to deliver robust blending capabilities, efficiently handling frozen fruits, ice, and tough ingredients for silky smooth, nutrient-rich shakes and smoothies directly into the portable cups. The compact design and included 16-ounce single-serve cups, complete with spout lids, allow you to blend, detach, and instantly head out the door, eliminating extra cleanup steps, and the substantial 29% saving ensures this convenient, powerful Ninja Fit is a must-have for daily nutrition. On number 2, we have Hefman Obliterator Blender. Taking the prize for the steepest discount on this list, the hefman Obliterator 48 ounces blender boasts a massive 37% price cut, appealing directly to those who demand heavy-duty performance and ice-crushing dominance. Aptly named, this high-powered machine features a robust 1380-watt motor that effortlessly pulverizes the hardest ingredients, from dense frozen fruit to nuts and seeds, ensuring consistently smooth textures in large 48-ounce batches. Crucially, the Obliterator includes innovative features like an auto-blend function, which analyzes ingredients to customize blending settings, and an intuitive control dial with 5 speeds, making it a professional-grade appliance suitable for preparing soups, purees, and family-size frozen drinks, with the 37% off making its premium power extremely accessible. On number 3, we have Ninja BN701 Blender. Striking an excellent balance between capacity and intelligent programming, the Ninja BN701 blender is available at a very compelling 33% discount, securing its place as the top choice for families and large batch meal preparation. This professional-grade blender features an impressive 1400 peak watts of power and utilizes Ninja's signature total crushing blades, which are stacked vertically to obliterate ice and ingredients in the large 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for multiple servings of margaritas, large smoothies, or ice cream bases. Its stand-up feature is the Auto IQ technology, which uses 3 preset programs for smoothies, frozen drinks, and nutrient extractions, combining unique timed pulsing and blending patterns to deliver perfect results every time without user guesswork. The 33% off on the Ninja BN701 represents an exceptional value proposition for those needing a high-capacity, smart, and powerful countertop workhorse. So these are some of the best deals to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.